Hey, okay, so we have these boxes that are empty. These were the kits for the sophomores that are nail kits. And I took them out of the box and they are, got my little helper with me here, and they are these right here. So everything is pre-packaged. I love it because the students just come pick up a wrapped kit, and then we go ahead and they pick up their kit. What, son? No, hey, I know. I need you. Hang on 1 second, okay? So we are going to, so this is the nail kits from Burmax that I have ready to go. So this is the nail side, the 10th grade side. I've got all the kits like I showed you earlier here. These are the items from Amazon. And then on this side, we have all of the aesthetics kits. So these boxes here are all of the kits. They're ready to go, all the supplies. The reason why the box is so big is because, oh gosh, he found the candy over there. Look at him. He found the candy. So these boxes, they come with a styrofoam head, which is why it's in a box, but it's kind of half of the size of that package. So it's kind of half of the box. And then these are the supplies from Amazon that this is in addition to their kit. So all of these things, I need to organize them in the little boxes and then close them up. The little one rode on this one because I was letting him ride on the dry erase wall, and I turned my back for 2 seconds. So I'm going to use that one. I'm taking that one of these boxes, one of these, and one of those home today, so I can do the video of how the kit, you know, how it's packaged and wrapped and all the things. And so we've been running around doing a bunch of things today. Oh, careful. It's hot. We went for a snow cone, and this kid right here. Can you hang on 1 second? Okay, I know what he wants. He wants one of these, so I'm going to give him Skittle. So let's put you guys here. I'm going to put you here while I record, because I'm not going to edit this. Let me just get the scissors. So classroom is set. The kits are set. Today is the 20, what is it? 20... message is real. Look at my hair. My goodness. It is the 28th or 27th of August. And so students will be coming probably in the next week or two to pick this up. So they'll come in through here. I'll probably have some student helpers. They'll come in through here. It helps me have the room divided. Nails over here, 10th over there, 9th over here. And they'll come pick up their stuff. I'll check them off. Get their locker, get their kit, their little supplement, get their whatever else they need, drop off their folder supplies. And then that way, that is something that I like to do at the beginning before school even starts. One, so they have time. And like the first week of school, they can go ahead and bring their locker box, which I already have in the video that I'm going to do. I'll tell them, okay, put this in your box, keep this stuff at home. When I ask for it, bring it to the school. So it's very helpful. And so we don't have this crowded stuff the first day of school. So that is very helpful. We don't have to already done orientation. We've done the parent meeting. We've done all those things. So then we don't have to spend, during the first week of school, we don't have to spend that time in class going through those things. It's already done. So I gotta get out of here. They're about to close the school down. So thank you. I know the videos have been like all over the place. Sorry, I know a lot of you guys, since it's beginning of the school year, for some of you guys have already gone back. Some are going back next week, some the week after. Clear Creek ISD, I think, is going in like the 22nd of August. Awesome. So because there is a lot of you guys starting, you guys have been calling and emailing and sending messages, asking questions. I'm doing my best. Someone's at the door, I gotta go. But doing my best to try to get, all the things done with a timely manner. So bear with me. Okay, let's try that again. Admin at the door. Okay. So like I said, I like to do all of these things now so that as soon as the first week of school begins, we hit the ground running. There's no yeah, I go over a few things, take them on a tour of the salon and all the things, but it's really, this took a long time. I would have never been able to do all of this if I waited till the first day of when teachers come back. There's no way. So, because there's so much more I still have to do. For example, I've got to do all the things, pack for the first day, got to still organize, got to do my lesson plans, my year at a glance. I got to figure out my quarter situation. Got to put up my board, my wall on both sections for 9th and 10th. And then there's just still the TDLR stuff. So there's still a lot that needs to be done. There's just not enough time. If you want to do it right, and if you want it to get done correctly, and not just kind of half do things, then it definitely takes a long time to do. So it's just been sprinkles here and there during the summer this year, but so far, it's pretty decently okay. So I'm gonna cut it here. I know it's a hot mess. Videos are a hot mess. Hopefully I can make it better. I do plan on leaving a camera here, but it's just easier to do with my phone. It's just the editing thing takes a while on the phone. But anyway, we'll figure it out. What is he doing? Look what he did. What are you doing? Hello, cosmetology instructors. Okay, so we are at the last Thursdays. They close school on Fridays because it's still summer hours. We are at the last Thursday of July. I came, got all the kid stuff ready. I'm recording this after I record the next section because, anyway, the little one is over there doing his thing. So I've got these 2 boxes that I need to go through. These are things that I started collecting last semester. So let's go through them so I can go ahead and put these where they go. So these boxes, as I've mentioned before, I do have, I'm not gonna get too close, but you see this closet right here? Those are all, that's my side, the back side is my senior teacher's side. But this here is, these are the copy room, from the copy room. So I asked the lady that works there if she could please save them, or, well, that was that previous person. This person just puts them up on the top, and if you see boxes, you're welcome to them. So when I see them, I grab them. So these 2 boxes, I've collected things and I've been storing them. This I got at Daiso, and it's a clear little plastic bag. So they were lavender and I absolutely had to get them. This stuff here is for the DOI training, so I'm going to get that out of the way. We have 12 new teachers this year. I'm one of the facilitators with Dr. Ryan. So she and I do that together, and that's my pile of things for that I've got to do. This is a wand. Now, when I see these at Ross, Marshalls, like it's $49. On Amazon, they're like $18. So I try to, I know personally purchase them, but I try to purchase them when I can. These 2 are washes, and this is a butterfly. So we have a nail project that is a butterfly project that we do. And this would be a perfect little plate for polishes and such. We got a visitor. These I got at TJ Maxx for $5.99 each, so I'll throw that in the prize box. And then we have this wrap that I also found $8.99 at TJ Maxx. There's a TJ Maxx by my house and a Ross. Literally 3 minutes away, and it's probably a bad thing for me. And so this I got to put in my personal stash so I can teach with this, because we do use these as an add-on service and clients love them. Then Miss Martinez gave me this a long while back, and so I'm going to start using that. It's a little living oils aromatherapy thingy. I did get this. I'm not going to teach the students how to use it. I'm just going to talk about it and different services that different salons, spa, many spas, things of the sort have. Especially if you're going into a spa like Lifetime Fitness, where they have more athletic type of services. I'm not saying that they particularly have any, but they are different businesses that do cater to athletes. So I found this one. It's cute, pretty, and it was only 25 bucks. So I got that to add to my toolbox. These were on sale for like $1 from $3.99 for decoration. They're more pinkish, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna love them and really use them, but I did get them for decor. I did also get these here as well from the spring section. So we'll see. I like to change it up every now and then. So we'll see what we get. This is a ear cleaning kit. We are going to do ear waxing. So I'm not saying that I'm going to be teaching the students how to do this as far as demos, hands-on, bringing in clients or doing them during salon day services. I'm only exposing them to different care services that clients could look for and get at different businesses. This here is, these are iPads. I love these because I put these in the freezer or the fridge and they feel really good. So we got 2 packs of these. We've already used those last semester. These are some purple balloons. These I found in storage. These are some spa booties. Then we have, hey, get your foot out of there. Get your foot, that is not a toy. Get your foot out, Jesus. We have this gel mask. It is lavender. We got this at the end of last school year. It's the same one. So I really like that one. Jesus. Okay, so I gotta hurry up. Then I found these for $10, and they're more of a lavender. I know in the video it looks a little bit more blue, but they are a purple color. And then this Washa is more of a lavender tone. That one I'll add to my personal collection. I found these at the dollar store, which match perfect. Then I want to do the head spa, which is a new thing I'm going to be introducing to the students this year to the curriculum. And so this is a towel twist, like a head wrap. I found these at the 99-cent store. Sorry. So these are head wraps. I had found them like in January or something, or maybe December. So I bought all the ones that they had at that particular location. And then I found this really cute hand just to be silly, like just a high five. I don't know, just to be silly. Anyway, I don't know if I'll use that, but we'll see. These for decoration for a table. These are awesome, like my acrylic practice sheets where acrylic gets left on them. I like to put them in this container because it protects them and it protects the surrounding area from all of the acrylic. Greenery for, I'm not sure, oh, for the hot towels. Definitely for hot towels, and it was lavender. This is a little brush set that's lavender. I'll definitely change the brushes because I don't love the brushes. These are some fans, so for decoration. I got a bunch of stickers to add to my my treasure chest. So stickers from different places that we went to last year, different events. I have another bag somewhere of stickers. I have this I had found at a garage sale, and so it's purple and or lavender color or lilac, I guess I should say, it's more appropriate. And so I will go ahead and add that to the station. I think this section here is going to be the brow station, the brow bar. Here's another little thing of stickers, and I have another thing at home as well. And this is for the cords. Got this at Daiso, the Japanese store. Some lips, which is this is a package from a different, oh, these are like vines I need for the decoration. And then this was a wax pot that I got. I don't hear my little, he went somewhere, but it is verbal. Look, love it. And so the brow station is going to be here, and so this is going to be here. I need to figure out how to cover and protect the table, the countertop, because, you know, kids don't really take very well care of the surfaces with waxing. So that is definitely in the works. But let me go see where this kiddo went.